must, have to, had to. So have to is going to be used to indicate type of compulsion. Means it is going to show the compulsion. Example, Shia will have to assist me in this project. So in this sentence, we have been told that Shia is forced or pressurized to assist me in this project. Get to the next. Had to. So it is the past form of have to. Look at the example. I had to wear a school uniform. Means there's also a compulsion, but the sentence in past, that's why we are using had to in the place of have to. Must. It is used to express necessity or obligation. So must is going to show the duties and obligation. Look at the example. We must help the poor and needy. You must keep the promise. So in first example, we have been told the pleasure or duty that we should just help the poor. In the next example, we are also being apprised of the duty. Get to the next. Suggestion. For suggestion, we have should and ought to. Should. It is used to express suggestion or advice. Should is going to be used for suggestion or advice. For example, you should avoid junk food. So in first sentence, we have been shown the advice. How we are going to recognize that the given sentence is showing advice? Just read out the sentence and look at the sentence, observe the sentence. If in the sentence something is good or a thing that is appropriate for us is being told, that means it is showing the advice. Look at the next example. We should begin our journey by 9 a.m. In this we are given the suggestion, means we should begin our journey by 9 a.m. means it is not good, it should be good. It is not showing advice, it is showing the suggestion, because starting the journey by 9 a.m. is good for us or not. Out to. It is used to express moral obligation or duties. So out is going to show the moral obligation or duties. Means this is not going to pressurize us. If we are in mood, we can do it, or there's no need to do the work. We ought to conserve energy. Look at the example. We ought to conserve energy. So the ancestor or the scholars are also saying this, that we should just conserve the energy. So there's no compulsion or any type of duty to just do it. If we want, we can do. We are just free to do it. That's why we are using ought to. We ought to keep surrounding clean. It is also a duty that could be done or not. Request. So for request, we are going to use can, could, would. Can and could are more can and could are more usual than will and would. Could and would are more polite than can and will. Prohibited. Must, ought to, ought not to. Prohibited, must not, and ought not to. Must not and ought not to be. Must not and ought not to can be used to show prohibition. You must talk when class are going on. You must not talk when class are going on. So in this sentence we have been told that we should not talk, or this is the example of the prohibition. We are just prohibited to just talk in the class. We should not talk. That's why we are just giving a prohibition that we must not talk in the class while classes are going on. Thank you. That's all in the chapter.